while granting stay in MSE 123 of 2024, your lordship, 60 days time was given to the appellant, your lordship, who was the owner of the vehicle, your lordship, to deposit 5 lakh rupees. Unfortunately, your lordship, 5 lakh rupees could not be deposited within stipulated time, your lordship.
Time was 60 days.
60 days, your lordship. Your lordship, now while preparing this MCC, your lordship, I've also annexed Annexure A3, which shows the account balance, your lordship,
But why
of the
you have
applicant.
filed this petition much after that? Much after the passing of that 60 days period?
Yes, your lordship, on 10th of April, it was filed, your lordship. Initially, your lordship,
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, 60 days इतने बाद क्यों पेश किया?
your lordship, the councils were not aware that the appellant could not deposit the amount.
Yourself was there, no? You yourself was there.
Yes, your lordship, but your lordship, the council was in the impression that the order must have been complied with. But your yes, your lordship.
You was satisfied that it has
Your lordship,
complied with.
I was informed in the month of April that he could not comply with the order, your lordship. 60 days time was given 19th of
But you have communicated,
March.
you have already communicated this order.
Yes, your lordship, yes,
Now they
yes,
have to face the
yes, and
consequence.
also he has preferred application before the learned tribunal, your lordship.
No, but I have already mentioned that it is made clear if any of the conditions is violated, then this interim order shall lose its efficacy.
Yes, your lordship,
That was already
that is
there.
why, your lordship,
So if
very
if
humbly,
this
I'm
application would have been submitted prior to expiry of that 60 days, matter would have been different. I would have extended some more time.
your lordship,
But
on
after-
18th, sir, Annexure A2, if it may be seen, your lordship, page number 7, Annexure A2. On 18th of March, your lordship, it has come before the learned tribunal that he preferred an application to seek some more time in depositing 5 lakh rupees, your lordship, which the learned tribunal disallowed, stating that the Honorable High Court order is very clear upon that.
That was right
Yes, your
approach. If,
Your lordship, that is why it's a humble request.
January 2024 is the order, and you moved this application in March 2024. So you are
Yes.
taking very casually whatever.
Your lordship, kindly appreciate.
Going to modify this order.
Your lordship, kindly appreciate the financial plight of the applicant also, your
If
lordship.
insurance company is behaving like this,
And
then who would?
he's a owner. He's the
Okay,
owner of the
owner.
vehicle, your lordship. A compassionate view, your lordship, has been prayed from the Honorable Court, your lordship. Annexure A3 shows that now he has sufficient funds
ठीक है,
to
give the
comply
first
with the order.
क्या default है? Default.
Sir, एक default है कि application for restoration has been mentioned, वो application for modification होना चाहिए index में, and my signature and date is missing in one of the page, your lordship. I'll remove it within the course of the day, your lordship.
एक तो उसका हो गया, दूसरा कौन सा बताया?
Sir, page number 3 में, sir, my signature and date is not mentioned, your lordship. I'll remove it.
कैसा पेश कर देते हो मुझसे?
Your lordship, I tender my apology that the default just skipped.
4 बार पढ़ना चाहिए पेश
Yes,
करने के
sir.
पहले.
Yes, sir. It skipped, your
हमने
lordship.
सही
I
आप लोग का
seek
टाइम
apology.
वो होता है.
Sir, 30 days का और time दे दे, sir. He is now in a position to deposit 5 lakh rupees. The award is of 18 lakh something rupees, your lordship. So अगर execution हो जाएगा तो he'll face difficulty, your lordship.
तो इसमें तो नोटिस करना पड़ेगा इसको. नोटिस नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
Your lordship may allow this MCC and give 30 days or 15 days more time. Or sir, 30 मई तक का time दे दें. He'll deposit the 5 lakh rupees, your lordship.
नहीं, ये MCC आपने पेश किया है. ये
For
MCC
extension of time.
MCC कैसे होता है? ME में लगाना पड़ेगा ना आपको.
Sir, वो modification of order I was seeking of this particular.
MSC is still pending.
MSC is still pending, sir.
So why you have not filed this application in this MSC itself?
Your lordship, because we wanted to modify the order.
तो
That
modify तो
if
अलग
time
थोड़ी
may
होगा.
be.
अलग थोड़ी होगा, तो उसी में होगा ना. सेपरेट में तो कहाँ पता चलेगा MSC में जो पार्टीज ने कि क्या ऑर्डर हुआ है एक्सेप्ट पिटिशनर.
Your lordship, क्योंकि लर्नेड ट्राइब्यूनल ने रिफ्यूज कर दिया था, वो 4,30,000 वो जमा कर रहे थे क्योंकि ऑनरेबल कोर्ट का ऑर्डर, इसलिए मॉडिफिकेशन.
वो रीजन आप उसमें देते हुए करते हैं ना. As far as order passed by the concerned tribunal is concerned, there is no any infirmity because he has strictly passed the order in accordance with the direction issued by this court on 24th of January.
But sir, the applicant is seeking the modification of the order passed by the honorable court, your lordship.
So that order is passed in MSC.
Yes, your
So
lordship.
you are required to move the application in MSC itself, not separate MCC.
But your lordship,
MCC
since modification is required, that is why MCC has been preferred, because this honorable court has the only authority to modify its order, your lordship. What we are seeking is extension of time. If 15 or 30 days time could be given to the applicant, your lordship, he will be in a position to deposit the 5 lakh rupees which the honorable court has ordered in the first place.
ये application for modification of order 91/2024 लिखे हुआ है ना.
Yes sir, 91.
तो ये आप उसी MSC में तो लगाओगे. MSC में तो लगाओ. अगर ये डिस्पोजल हो गया होता तो आप MCC लगाते.
Sir, MAC में sir modification of order, if I would have preferred your lordship, then since this honorable court has passed this order, so this honorable court is only authorized to amend or modify its order, your lordship.
हाँ तो मॉडिफाई तो मांग रहा हूँ.
हाँ sir, that is why we preferred an MCC, so that this honorable court may modify its order, because the order has been passed by this honorable court. The only thing which the applicant is seeking is, your lordship, 30 days more time, so that the order which the honorable court has directed to deposit 5 lakh rupees, he would be in a position to deposit that 5 lakh rupees, your lordship.
आपका ये पिटिशन तो मेरे को प्रॉपर नहीं लग रहा है मिस्टर. How this petition has been filed separately from that particular MAC. This application is required to be filed in that MAC itself. ये तो नया टाइप का दिख रहा है आपका.
No, your lordship, this particular petition is only been filed to modify the order passed on 19/1/2024 by this honorable court, your lordship. That is why.
I will issue the notice only, Mr. I can't insist you, but if you are saying that it is maintainable, then let others come. Then in their presence, I will pass the order. क्यों साहू जी, प्रोसीजर तो यही है ना. हमें कोई भी अपील में अगर ऑर्डर मॉडिफाई करना तो उसी में तो होता है. ये अलग लगाते हैं, ये अलग.
सर MCC लगाए, नहीं तो उस
हाई
MAC
कोर्ट
में.
रूल्स में भी आप देखना, मॉडिफिकेशन का अगर कोई एप्लीकेशन लगेगा तो उसी में लगता है, और जिस कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर पास किया है, जिस बेंच ने, उनके यहाँ लगता है वो. ऐसा है. और अगर वो नहीं रहेंगे तो फिर एज पर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ऑनरेबल द चीफ जस्टिस मैटर इज टू बी अलॉटेड. लेकिन आप ये तो MCC पेश कर दियो, MA अलग चल रहा है, MCC अलग लगाया.
सर MAC तो अलग चल रहा है, बट क्योंकि दिस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट हैज ऑर्डर्ड दिस 9/1/2024 ऑर्डर, और उसका सर मॉडिफिकेशन एप्लीकेंट चाह रहा था, इसलिए MCC प्रेफर्ड.
उसके चाहने से ही चलना पड़ेगा, जो प्रोसीजर उसके हिसाब से चलेंगे. आप चाहें
Because in that
तो
MAC, then
I am granting you a week's time to remove the default. In the meantime, you think over and file application in that MA itself. Then only you would get something.
it may be listed after vacation.
Because ये MCC जब पेश किए तो ऑर्डर को क्वेश्चन करना पड़ेगा फिर आपको, ट्रिब्यूनल के ऑर्डर को फिर वो रिट में करना पड़ेगा आपसे.
नहीं सर, हम बस वो
और
मॉडिफिकेशन
भी-
चाह रहे थे कि ये 60 दिन का समय है, वो एक्सटेंड हो जाए 30 दिन के लिए, और तो वो ऑनरेबल कोर्ट
नहीं,
कर सकती है सर.
कर सकते हैं, लेकिन MCC में नहीं कर सकते ना सेपरेट. लेकिन
Maybe listed in second week of June, your lordship, and in the meanwhile I'll remove the.
तो मैडम ने किया ड्राफ्ट, आपने मैडम सेपरेट क्यों लगाया आपने MCC? ये संतोषी यादव, कोई संतोषी यादव है आपके?
He's a colleague, your lordship.
उन्होंने पेश किया, बनाया है
ऑफिस का ही है सर.
आप ही? चलिए ठीक.
Court is of the view that you should
सो महेश्वर,
present
काउंसिल फॉर पिटिशनर. आप किसके लिए?
for the state में
स्टेट नहीं है
party rights.
काउंसिल फॉर पिटिशनर एंड प्रेस फॉर अ वीक्स टाइम कर दें.
Stating that at least 60 days have lapsed. That is-
There's no any information in that particular order. Once 60 days is there, how he can entertain your application?
Yes, sir.
Extension of time,
So
is
in
why
that MA itself, you are required to file, not the separate MCC. Anyway, आप मैं अभी आपका MCC डिसमिस नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आपको टाइम दे रहा हूँ, आप एग्जामिन कर लो अपने कलीग से. लगता है तो उसमें एप्लीकेशन लगा के इसको भले आप वो कर लेना.
Yes sir, सर सेकंड वीक ऑफ जून में लगा दें सर.
हाँ ठीक है ना. वीक्स टाइम कर देना, रिमूवल ऑफ द डिफॉल्ट. टाइम एज पेड फॉर इज ग्रांटेड. लेट द मैटर बी लिस्टेड इन सेकंड वीक बोल रहे.
हाँ सर, ओपनिंग वीक ऑफ
वीक कमेंसिंग 18 जून.
वीक कमेंसिंग 10th सर, 10 जून.